Good day, children. Sai Ram. Welcome back. In the previous period, we have finished lesson number 3. Today, we are going to start with a new poem. Do you know which is that poem? No? Okay. But before starting the poem, first we are going to drill the new words. Okay, children? So what you are going to do? You are going to listen and then repeat after the teacher. Okay, so let us start. So I will say these words, the spellings of these words 3 times, and you are going to repeat after the teacher. First word is bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Next word, right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. Next word, tantrum. T-A-N-T-R-U-M. Tantrum. T-A-N-T-R-U-M. Tantrum. T-A-N-T-R-U-M. Tantrum. Number 4, stamp. S-T-A-M-P. Stamp. S-T-A-M-P. Stamp. S-T-A-M-P. Stamp. Number 5, feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. F-E-E-T. Feet. Number 6, shout. S-H-O-U-T. Shout. S-H-O-U-T. Shout. S-H-O-U-T. Shout. Number 7, cry. C-R-Y. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. Number 8, sulk. S-U-L-K. Sulk. S-U-L-K. Sulk. S-U-L-K. Sulk. Number 9, sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. Number 10, everything. E-V-E-R-Y-T-H-I-N-G. Everything. E-V-E-R-Y-T-H-I-N-G. Everything. E-V-E-R-Y-T-H-I-N-G. Everything. So children, we are going to read these words once more. Number 1 is bird. Number 2 is right. Number 3 is tantrum. Number 4, stamp. Number 5, feet. Number 6, shout. Number 7, cry. Number 8, sulk. Number 9, sing. Number 10, everything. So children, we have finished drilling the new words. Now, I will ask you few questions and you will answer. Okay? Do you ever get angry? Do you ever get angry? Tell me. Yes, you get angry, right? I too get angry. What do you do when you get angry? Tell me, what do you do when you get angry? You throw things here and there, shout loudly, don't listen to others and say no to everything, right? Now tell me, is it good to get angry? Yes? Is it good to get angry? No. In anger, we do things what we don't have to do. We tell anything to our parents which hurts them. They feel very bad. So, we should try to control our anger. Okay, children? So, in today's poem, No Bird, a little boy like you, he always say no to everything and live up in tantrum tree. He throws tantrum, means he gets angry, is upset all the time. His anger is out of control. So, his anger is uncontrolled. In anger, he stamps his feet, shouts, screams without any reason. This child always remains unhappy and is never satisfied. So children, we should not say no to everything. Don't throw tantrums. Listen to your teachers, parents and elders. Okay children, understood? Now let us recite the poem. Poem number 4, No Bird. Poem number 4, No Bird. I am the no bird. That's right, that's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. I am the no bird. I sulk and sing. No to everything. Okay? Once more. Again listen children. Poem number 4. No bird. I am the no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. I am the no bird. I sulk and sing. No to everything. Okay children? Okay, now what you are going to do? You are going to repeat after the teacher. Okay. Poem number 4, No Bird. I am the no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the no-no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. I am the no-no bird. I sulk and sing. No, no, no to everything. Okay, children. So, we have recited the poem with action and rhythm. Okay. So, you are going to learn this poem by heart. Okay. So, now I am going to ask you few questions. Okay. You are going to answer. What does the child say to everything? What does the child say to everything? Can you tell me? What does the child say to everything? Yes, the child says no to everything. The child says no to everything. Next one. Where does the child live? In the poem, where does the child live? Yes, the child lives up in the tantrum tree. The child lives up in the tantrum tree. Okay. Next one. Are you like the no-no bird? Are you like the no-no bird? No, I'm not like the no-no bird. Yes, you should not be like the no-no bird. So, are you like the no-no bird? No, I am not like the no-no bird. Okay? So, children, we have finished reciting the poem and I asked you the questions from the poem. Now, what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to what? We are going to do the textbook activities. Okay? So after the lesson or after the poem, we do the textbook activity, right? New voices textbook activity. That we are going to start now. So you are going to take your new voices textbook. Okay? Okay. Now open new voices textbook page number 33. New voices textbook page number 33. First you are going to open. Okay. So let us start with the activity. Children, you are going to write with the teacher. Okay. First we will read the head question. What is given here? Read the sentences and fill in the blanks. Use the picture clues. One has been done for you. Now you can see the animals and the birds pictures are given here. Okay. And what you have to do? You have to read the sentences below the below the picture. Some sentences are given. 5 sentences are given. And you have to fill in the blanks. Use the picture clues. You have to see the picture clues and you have to write the answer. Now see, the first one is done for you. Like, I am large. I have mane. I roar. Which is the animal? Yes, it is lion. So I am large. I have a mane. Okay, mane means the hair on the neck. So you can see now, see lion's neck, you can see the hair. Yes, this is known as the mane. Okay, this is the mane. Okay, around the neck. So, which animal is it? It is a lion. Next one, see the next one. I fly. I have feathers and beak. So, which animal can fly? And it has got feathers and a beak. Can you tell me? Yes, it is a bird. Okay, so write the answer with teacher. Now next one. Third one. I fly. I love flowers. I am found in many colors. So I fly. I love flowers. I am found in many colors. So which is that animal? Yes, butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. fly. Okay. Next is number 4. I am playful. I can climb tree. I am playful. Okay. I can climb tree. Which is an animal? Yes, it is a monkey. 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 Number 5. I have paws and whiskers. I have strips. Okay. So which is an animal? I have paws and whiskers. I have strips. Okay, on the body. So which animal is that? Yes, it is a tiger. Tiger. So write the answers. Okay. Now you are going to take the page number 35. Page number 35. Next page. Fill in the blanks with words from the poem. Fill in the blanks with words from the poem. So the poem, we have to complete this blank. See the words, you have to take the words from the poem and you have to complete this blank space. First one. The child lives up in the dash tree. Can you tell me? The child lives up in the dash tree. Which tree does the child live? Yes, tantrum tree. Tantrum. Tantrum tree. Number 2. The child can shout and yes, cry. Cry. Number 3. He says dash to everything. So what does he says? Yes, he says no to everything. Okay? We'll go to the next one. Now, see the next one, next question. In the words cry and why makes the sound AI. Okay? Circle the letters that make the sound AI. That is, for example, cry, Y it is circled, and high, IGH. So we have to circle these sounds. Now here Y, WHY. So which word you are going to circle here? Yes, you are going to circle. You are going to circle Y. So circle Y. Next, number 2, my. Which word you are going to circle? Yes, here also Y. Then try, number 3. Yes, here also circle Y. Number 4, sky, circle Y. Then number 5, sigh. Which word you are going to circle here? IGH. Circle. Then number 6, thigh. THIGH. So here also you are going to circle IGH. Okay, circled. Yes, very good. I will go to the next one. Next question is, all these are rhyming words. Circle the letters that make the rhyming sound. One has been done for you. So one is done. So we have to circle the letters that make the rhyming sound. Now like sing, ing. Okay, now again number 2, wing. Which letter we are going to circle? Rhyming word. Yes, which letters we are going to circle? ING. Wing. Sing, wing. Number 3, ding. Again here ING. Circle ING. Then number 4, bring. Here also circle ING. Then number 5, king. Here also ING. King. Ing. Number 6, ring. RING. Here also circle ING. In. Did you circle? Okay. Now we'll go to the next question. Count the sounds. For example, high. In high, 2 sounds, 4 letters. HIGH, that is 4 letters, and how many sounds? H, I. So 2 sounds. No. How many letters here? 4 letters. K-N-O-W. 4 letters. And how many sounds? 2 sound. No. Oh. Okay? No. Now same way you have to write the sounds and the how many letters are there. Now here in bird, how many sounds are there? 3 sounds. So which are those 3 sounds? We'll see. B, A, D. Okay? B, A, D. So these are the 3 sounds and 4 letters. B-I-R-D, 4 letters and 3 sounds. B, then A, D. Bird. Okay? Next one. Thigh. So here 2 sounds and 5 letters. 5 letters, T-H-I-G-H. So 5 letters. And how many sounds? 2 sounds. Which are those sounds? Th, I. Th, I. Okay? So 2 sounds. Th, I. Thigh. Okay? Now next. Number 3, crab. In crab, 3 sounds. And how many letters are there? 4 letters. C-R-A-B. 4 letters. And how many sounds? 3 sounds. Okay. So, we see which are the sounds. K, ra, b. K, ra, b. Crab. Okay. 3 sounds. Number 4. Feet. In feet, again here 3 sounds. And how many letters? 4 letters. We'll see which are the sounds. F, E, T. Feet. F, E, T. Feet. Okay? Write these answers fast. Okay. Now next question is, underline the letters which make the sound oo, as in boot. One has been done for you. Now see, the first one is done. Hoot. Okay? Hoot. That is O is underlined. Okay? It makes the sound oo. Now see, second one. Shoot. So which letter we are going to underline? O. 2. O. Okay? Don't underline T. Okay? You are going to underline only O. Okay? O and O. Underline. Now next. Suit. Number 3, suit. Here also you are going to underline only U. Only U. Okay? Number 4, fruit. Again here I am going to underline only U. Only U. Underline only U. Okay? Next, jute. Here also you are going to underline only U. Underline only U. Cute. Here also underline only U. Number 7, flute. Here also you are going to underline only U. And in root you are going to underline O-U. 2 words. Okay? O-U. Finished underlining? Okay. Go to the next question. Next one is, underline the letters which make the sound, again here oo, as in foot. Okay? As in foot. Now see here, hood. Here you are going to underline O. Okay? Hood. Then O, could. O-U. Could. Then good. O. Then childhood. O. Redwood. O. Then should. Here also O-U. Underline O-U. Then number 7, stood. Again here O. Number 6, wood. Here also O-U. You will underline. Okay, children? Understood? Okay. Now, we have finished. I finished teaching the poem. We have recited the poem. We have done the new words. Then we have done the textbook activities also. Now, I am going to give you the homework. What is the homework? Learn the poem by heart. Then recite it using rhythm, action and expression. So children, I taught you the poem with rhythm, action and expression also. Okay. So you are also going to learn this poem using rhythm, action and expression. You have to learn this poem by heart. Okay. So we have finished this poem. Now we will meet in the next period with a new lesson. Till then, have an energetic day. Thank you.